Welcome to Session 24, the final session of GED Geometry Review. On a mixed set, the hardest part is not the arithmetic. It is deciding what the question is really asking. So slow down for the first 5 seconds and classify the problem. Use this 5-step routine every time. 1. Name the shape or situation. 2. Decide what is being asked. 3. Pick the formula or rule. 4. Estimate the size of the answer. And 5. Check the unit. Clue words do a lot of the work. Fence, border, and trim mean perimeter. Carpet, paint, and tile mean area. Fill, hold, and capacity mean volume. And wrap, label, or cover the outside means surface area. A few more. Diagonal, ladder, or shortest distance point to the Pythagorean theorem, and words like degrees, lines, and triangle point to the angle rules. Match the clue, then pick your tool. Units are your final safety check. Plane units mean a length or perimeter. Square units mean area or surface area. Cubic units mean volume. And degrees mean an angle. If the unit is wrong, the tool was wrong. The most common mistake on a mixed test is doing correct arithmetic for the wrong measurement. You compute perfectly, but you found area when the question wanted perimeter. Classifying first is what prevents this. One last quick check. Which habit is the best final check on a geometry answer? Check the unit. The unit reveals whether you found length, area, volume, or angle measure. To recap the whole course: classify, sketch, plan, solve, and check. Let clue words choose the tool, and let units confirm it. You now have a complete, connected method for GED geometry. Congratulations on finishing GED Geometry Review. You have built a real, test-ready toolkit. Keep practicing, keep an error log, and trust your method. For the full course and free practice, visit bridge2exam.com.